Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel chapter 3 hand on exercise 3 simulation exam. So open the Excel chapter 3 hand on exercise 3 simulation exam. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Excel chapter 3 and on exercise 3 simulation exam. Click start. So open the Excel chapter 3 simulation exam. Click launch. Total question is 3. Apply the style 5 chart style to the bar chart in the 2024 to 2025 sheets and close the chart style gallery and apply the chart style 5. Click OK. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is display the attendance data sheets and select the column chart and then change the data source attendance data A4 to A1, A11 and attendance data C4 to F11. So select the column chart and next go to the chart design tabs and click the select data and set the column charts and change the data source attendance data A4 to A11 A4 to A11 A4 to A11 and next attendance C4 to F11. So next C4 to F11 So next insert the column sparkline in the range G5 to G11 using the B5 to F11 as the data source. So select the G5 to G11 and press enter. Go to the insert tabs and insert the column sparklines. Click the column and click OK and show the low point on the sparkline. Click the low point and next apply the red sparkline style dark 3 sparkline in G5 to G11. So red sparkline, click OK and modify the vertical axis minimum and maximum. So next, modify the vertical axis of the sparklet so that minimum and maximum value for both same. Click the maximum vertical same for all sparklet and click OK.